SUP22C handheld laser cleaning machine operation. Before operating the machine, please be sure to read the manual carefully. Connect the machine's power cable to the quick switch or the circuit breaker. Connect the air pipe and use compressed air free of water and oil. It is recommended that the air pressure be only 0.05, 0.1 megapascals or the flow rate 10-15 kgf, cm. Add distilled water through the water inlet until the water level stabilizes in the standard area. If the temperature is below 5 degrees Celsius, antifreeze must be added. Turn on the rear power switch of the machine. Rotate the emergency stop switch and press the system switch. The operation screen will light up, and the chiller will be powered on. Wait until the chiller's temperature reaches 20 degrees Celsius before turning on the laser generator. Press the laser switch. Click on the technology on the right to enter the technology interface. Adjust the required power and scan width. Click Import to apply this data, and click Return to exit to the home page. Now the home page displays the adjusted data. Open the gun's secure lock, at which point the secure lock on the screen shows as on. Turn on the laser enable. Point the handheld gun at the material to be cleaned, double-click, and hold the switch button. At this point, the gun emits light. Move the gun head up and down. When the sound and sparks are at their maximum, this is the focal point, where the energy is strongest. After cleaning, turn off the secure lock, and then sequentially shut down the laser, then system.